guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be doing another art tutorial because I felt like it. Today I'm going to show you all the tips and tools you need to like sketch like a pro. To get started with, sketching is art and you need sketching to continue with other forms of art such as oil painting, acrylic painting, and further on.
So at first,
You need a sketchbook.
me sketchbook I'm using a book
Heavy sketchbook, and
It's 9 times 12
9x12
which is pretty big for a sketchbook.
and it's spiral binded, and I really like spiral binded ones because they're really type of pencil you use, man. Right now I'm using and it's an 18-piece sketch set.
There are different types of sketch pencils. Some of them are based from graphite, which are the main ones, and the others are based from charcoal. The charcoal ones are more soft and can smudge more
So
easily.
what I have here are different shades or different like
In music, you have frequencies,
and in sketching
you have densities,
of these sketch pencils that they have different thicknesses.
A regular drawing pencil is called an HB pencil, and it's you can use this for schoolwork, homework, whatever. But after you
have 2B, and then you have 3B, 4B, and so on. So each one of them have each
Here's the all the sketch pencils I have.
as you can see here, I outlined I sketched this part with the darker sketch pencils I have, and
The foundation was with HB and 2B pencils, and so I'm gonna show you the thicknesses and etc. of these sketch pens. HB pencil, which is used most commonly by school kids.
So this is how dark it is. If you're a lefty, you hold a sketch pencil like this, and if you're a righty, you hold it like this. Whichever way you're comfortable with, and I'm very comfortable holding a sketch pencil like this. So there are three types of sketching techniques, which is like this, but I don't use this technique much because I use the regular I use hitching, or what I like to call shading. Shading is used most commonly, and this is from an HB pencil. Okay. Next is a bit darker than the HB one, and you use this for maybe you use this for soft corners, or this can be used for many. I have the 4B instead. So the 4B has a rougher texture, and as you can see, it has a more you have the 6B, which is one of the darkest shades. You use this for pupils, for hair. You can use this for many areas. So this is 6B, and finally you have the 8B. The 8B has the most roughest texture, and it's used it's used for pupils, eyes, eyebrows, and other dark parts, and it's used for drawing shadows and etc. So apart from the higher shades, if you lower down a bit, you have the lower shades, which consist of 2H, H, and others. So this is an HB pencil. If you go down, you have the H pencil, which has the density, which is very light. This is used for lighter areas which you do not need to shade too much. You can use this for like
coloring, for
finishing touches, such as filling a face and other parts of
the body. So this is H.
And then finally you have 2H, which is the lightest, and you can use it for similar uses. And this is F. So F is similar to HB. And F is similar to HB, but I'll compare the two here. So this is F and this is HB. F is a lighter form of HB and can be used for drawing and writing. So these are the different types of sketch pencils. Now you can go to the accessories. So of course you need an eraser. You can use a normal type of eraser, or you can use a sketching type of eraser, which I got in this sketch set. So if you use this type of eraser, but if you use this one, you can use it for normal uses, but it also works. And it looks like this. And so basically, a kneaded eraser is an eraser which you can model like clay and erase, where you have small points which you can't reach with your dull edges here. So if you want to make a sharper edge, you can model it here, and then you can erase it, which is really useful. So you can find these in any art store, and I get all my art supplies from Hobby Lobby. Next, graphite ones, but the difference in the charcoal ones is that they're darker and they can smudge more easily. These are used for portraits and sceneries. So as you can see, they're similar to black color pencils. Although they have the same use as these are used for darker shades, and this is a 2B charcoal pencil. This is a 4B charcoal pencil, and this is a 6B charcoal pencil. Last but not least, we have our charcoals. This is an artist charcoal soft slick. These are mainly used for creating texture lines in your image, and these can be smudged this similarly is a charcoal pencil, and it can be used. It's really smooth. These are really smooth. They're smoother and they're less rougher than the graphite ones. So this is a charcoal pencil. You can find these in any art store as well. And this is my artist charcoal medium. This one is a bit more. This one doesn't smudge as easily and can be used for other uses. So since I'm done explaining, now let's move.
Thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to watch part 2, leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more art tutorials and gaming. Goodbye.